To my stream. If you're watching this on a platform that's not YouTube, you probably have a better experience watching the VOD on YouTube. So yeah, head on over to YouTube. My handle is TECHFREN, TechFriend, and you can see timestamps, jump to the parts that you like. And yeah, good to see you there. Otherwise, you can watch it on whatever platform you are now. I just know I feel like on LinkedIn and Twitter specifically, it's kind of hard to scrub through the video. And I mean, this is going to be a long stream with a lot of boring parts, so I don't want to waste your time. So yeah, that's just some tips from me. Let's get into it. Here is my agenda of what I want to be doing today. So pretty much these web agents is going to be the biggest part of today's stream. And so what web agents are, if you don't know, they are kind of like autonomous agents that run on your web browser, and you can give them a text prompt to fulfill any task that you want. So the one that I normally set off as a baseline is, is to make an event in my calendar. Yo, Nick, what's up, man? Good to see you. Merry Christmas. We're here, we're grinding. We're not celebrating Christmas, we're actually grinding, making content. What am I doing? Yeah, this is the agenda. Hopefully you can see that well enough. So pretty much the majority of this stream will be testing these web agents. I think this AI employee, yo, thanks for the roses. Thanks for the roses. Sniff, sniff. Yeah, this AI employee one is really interesting. I'm definitely going to be jumping into that really soon. I'm just going to set up Instagram for the third time today. Not today, like, kind of today. Let's see. I've got my laptop running with a stream for Instagram, so let's see if this works. Yeah, it's kind of working. Yeah, I don't know. Does the sound work? Yeah. Okay, so it's working. It's just it looks like shit, but it's something. Hopefully people see me live on Instagram and then they hop over to Twitch and YouTube. Yo, it's NyQuil. Yo, NyQuil is now Zarif. You sound sleepy. What time is it over there? It's actually like midday, 12:47. I feel a bit congested in my nose, so maybe that's why. I was out drinking last night, Christmas Eve, so that's probably why I sound a bit sleepy. Yo, big fan. Thanks for the coconut and roses, Nick. Appreciate you. Love you. Oh, thank you guys so much. Thanks for all the nice comments. Okay, so let's get straight into it, guys. So I saw this Reddit post on the OpenAI subreddit yesterday. Someone said GPT Vision first open source browser automation. So, we've seen a few of these before. AI Jason's made one, I think, as well. So, but like this guy says it's like really reliable, more than Adept AI. They've got the code. So that's really exciting. And they've got a comparison with Adept AI. Let's look into this. So pretty much I want to test it out myself, and I want to test out all the other ones. We did test out two of them last stream. We tested out Minion and some Ninja one. So let's see how this compares. Yeah, and they do have a landing page. Let's check out their landing page. We have a question here. I'm starting my course in cybersecurity next week, and does cybersecurity need math? Not necessarily, but it'll probably help. Lionessi says, what are all these echoes on Instagram? Is there echoes on Instagram? I don't know. This is my first time trying to stream with Instagram as well, and I don't think it'll work out too well. Let me try here. Oh, holy shit. Okay, it is very bad. I think I can fix that. No, how the fuck? I don't know. Wait, hold up. Instagram. Is there echoes on Instagram? I don't know. This is my first time trying to stream with Instagram. Not necessarily, but it'll probably. Okay, I fixed it. I fixed the Instagram. Thanks for mentioning that. Whoever that was. Who was that? Unessi. Shouts out Unessi. Thank you for that. Apologize for the echoes. Okay, what did I miss? Modular arithmetic. You'll see that apparently in cybersecurity. Nick says they've been using Minion a bit, but it doesn't realize it can click and do things, so it's a bit annoying. Yeah. Honestly, I don't think any of these agents are going to be like 100% reliable. But if we can get like 80% reliability, that'd be great. Yo, programming with John at Latterly on YouTube. Hello, Merry Christmas to you too, John. Thank you. All right. Okay, so this is AI employee. GPT-4 Vision powered. See, this is a big claim that they make. They say that they're a reliable browser automation tool. So we'll see how legitimate that is really soon. They have a few example demos. So this first one, automate logging your budget from email to your expense tracker. Let's see.
Hello, this is Vignesh, founder of AI Employee. So in this video, I'm going to show you how AI Employee workflow runs. So basically, I created a workflow how to log my I create a workflow to log my expense to my expense tracker. So now I'm going to hit start the workflow. So this is my workflow. I'm going to hit start. And now what it's going to do is it's going to extract crucial details such as how much I spent and what is the pay name and a short memo of what I spent on funny like in Snoop Dogg style. And yeah, it extracted and it also generated a memo. Now it's going to click add transaction button. GPT-4 Vision is still in the preview mode, so it was a bit slow. So now it's clicking it and that's right.
Yeah, I think that's pretty self-explanatory. You just kind of tell it what to do, add expense to my budget tracker, and I guess it just figures out how to do it. Seems pretty good, too good to be true, but we'll find out. We had a message from Unessi. I'm planning to automate Jira tables, linked to some RPA frameworks using Python. Do you have any idea if there's kind of libraries for that? I'm not like an expert at that. Seems like you already know about RPA frameworks. I've heard good things about UiPath and stuff like that, so maybe that's the way to go. But yeah, I don't have any experience, so I wouldn't like recommend anything with confidence, unfortunately, this time. Sorry. Yo, thanks for the rose, JP, and all the other gifts, Nick. Thank you. 2 perfumes, that's huge. Automate any complex task, just describe it. Gain hours back. All right, let's just get straight into it. So we're gonna go to their GitHub and look at their instructions on how to install this thing. So you copy it, run npm install npm dev, and then you load the extension. Seems pretty simple. Let's do it. I'll do it in VS Code. Let's make, actually, where are we? We'll just clone it here. Yo, Chen, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Okay, we've cloned it. Oops, I accidentally closed VS Code. Cringe. Let's open the folder. What is it called? AI employee. Employee? I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like employee, but it's missing an E. And then we need to put our API key in here, I assume. OpenAI API key, yes. So the cool thing about VS Code now is you can actually drag off, you can drag off the windows. So you can have a little floating window here, so I can actually put my API key without everyone seeing it. So that's what I'm about to do really quickly. Just make a new API key for this. Copy that and paste it here, save that. Okay. Oh, and then what did they say? We need to actually rename this file. Oh my god. To env.production or env.development. Probably env.development. Copy, paste. Oh, hopefully no one saw that. Dot env dot development, right? Yep. And then we just run yarn to install the packages. This stream looks so shit on Instagram. It's like really bad quality. But it's something. Okay, what's all this? Concurrently npm install web npm. What? Never seen this before. On that. I don't know what happened. The npm install messed it up. Okay, we're good. That was cringe. Alright. We're back. We're good. What did you miss? Nothing. I mean, I'll give an intro again. So we're trying to test out this AI employee, which is it's open source, kind of web browsing agent. So you just install a Chrome extension and then you should be able to feed it, prompts, and it goes through, clicks buttons, inputs text, just to achieve your goal, complete your goal that you prompt it with. So that's the idea. We can read through how it works while we're waiting, I guess. So there's several problems with current browser agents. Here we explain the problems and how we solve them. Great. Problem 1, finding the right element. Several techniques for this, ranging from sending shortened form of HTML to GPT-3 Vision to take actions, or directly asking GPT-4 Vision to get the X and Y. So personally, I actually tried to make my own assistant, and I just tried to search for all the ARIA labels. Oh man, I think this is actually making me lag. Apologies for the bad quality, but this triple npm install is just really fucking up my computer here. I'm sorry. So apologies for the bad quality. Merry Christmas, son of a fine boy. Appreciate you. Oh, this is very bad. I guess just bear with me while this installs. Hopefully it won't take too long. So the way that they get around the finding the right element is they index the entire DOM with this thing called melee search, which allows GPT-4 Vision to generate commands for which element's inner text to click, copy, or perform other actions. And then they search the index with generated text and retrieve the element ID to send to the browser to take actions. There's a few limitations here, but we've implemented some techniques to overcome them, such as dealing with the same text in multiple elements or clicking on an icon, which they're still working on. And then to stop GPT derailing from the workflow, they use something called actions augmented generation, where they record all the DOM element changes for every action the user takes, and then we use the workflow title, objective, and recorded actions to generate a set of tasks. So it seems pretty cool. The the install is crazy long and making me lag. So apologies for that. Hopefully it'll finish soon. I have no idea how to determine whether it will or not. But yeah, let's look at their package JSON. See how many dependencies are we installing here. Okay, so there's subfolders here. Cataclysm says they've also been trying to create an open source assistant. Awesome. How's yours going, Cataclysm? So client. Wow, there's a web, there's a Chrome extension, there's a web client. Firebase, auth, Radix, normalize, React DOM. Web. It's a Next.js project. Bro, why is this so slow? We've got task manager. Oh, it's very slow. Task manager not responding is not a good sign. Cataclysm says, not well, trying to get Taskweaver to work with LM Studio. Oh, interesting. I've been trying to create a dev environment where the tutorials I watch will work, but I guess your PC is too dirty. Damn. Damn, we are fully engaged CPU and memory. Brutal. It's crazy, man. Yo, Mr. T, good to see you. You got a new picture. Thanks for the heart. Apologies for the laggy stream. It's just this crazy big npm install. Yo, hello, Helmi. Good to see you. Appreciate y'all. Hopefully it'll finish soon. I don't know. It's been going on for quite a while now. Abdi says, which code are you using? Yo, Merry Christmas, Mr. T. DM, thanks for the like. So I'm trying to run this project here, AI Employee, which claims to be a reliable autonomous web agent. So I saw this post on Reddit. We can go through the comments now while it's loading, but holy crap, is everything so slow. Man. Maybe I could limit the, hold up. I could potentially limit the amount of resources it takes. Let me see if I could do that. Wait, what? It says it's only using 8%. That can't be right. can't be right. Yeah, it's Node.js. No, what? These numbers do not add up. I don't think there's much I can do here. I'm just gonna have to leave it. Read through the open resource manager. Okay, let's try that. Better than task manager. Thanks, Mr. T. Let's try that out. Resource man. Oh my god, my computer is struggling. Oh, it's struggling hard. Cataclysm says I wanted to combine Reezer Her Agent 3.0 with Teachable Agent from AutoGen to remember stuff and save to MemGPT or something. Nice. Oh man. We are struggling here. You don't have Pro? No, I definitely have Resource Manager. It's just my computer is really struggling. I think I'm really tempted to just kill the process. Helmy says, "What will the code do?" So, eventually, if I get it working, the goal is for me to be able to type any goal into the extension, and it to go through and automate the Chrome browser. So for instance, I could say make an event in my Google Calendar on Friday at 5 p.m. and then it'll navigate to Google Calendar, click the right buttons to add the event in my calendar. But yeah, at the moment I can't even get anything because it's just my computer is not happy. So okay, we're opening Resource Manager. Here we go. It's slowly coming up. This is the fight. Okay, close Task Manager. Yes, here we go. Resource Manager. Now what? Overview? How do we get the... Mr. T, help us out here. Okay, I feel like it's not loaded yet.